When citing websites that do not have authors or page numbers, there are a few elements that need to be kept in mind. First, we must remember that the parenthetical citation is a link to the works cited page and must align with the first piece of information for that source as is indicated in the works cited page. In other words, if this is our works cited page citation, the parenthetical citation must align with the first piece of information within the works cited page, which is, in this case, the title. Please note that when we do not have an author, we do not need to include the entire title of the source within the parenthetical citation. We only need to include 3 or 4 words. Also note that within the parenthetical citation, the title of the web page is in quotation marks, as it is in the works cited page. Also note, web pages rarely have page numbers. Therefore, we do not include a page number within a parenthetical citation. When using quotations, this lack of a page number is not an issue, as we have the ending quotes to signify where the outside information terminates. However, as we discussed earlier, when we use paraphrases, we must clearly indicate where the paraphrased information begins and ends. The easiest way to do this with websites is to use the website's name directly within the sentence to indicate where the paraphrase begins. We can then use the web page name within the parenthetical citation to indicate where the information ends. By providing the website's name directly within the sentence, we clearly indicate that everything from pheasantsforever.org to the parenthetical citation is paraphrased. Within this